Alright, we're getting ready to show, we're getting ready to make lunch actually, so we figured we'd make a video real quick. We're talking to a friend about this device here, and there's the pizza. It's a DiGiorno. We're just going to cook it. And the device right there, you can see, one thing unique about this one, it opens flat, and you can cook on both sides, see. Or you could put a pizza in, kind of like the picture shows there, and shut the lid, and since it heats up on both sides, it cooks from the top and the bottom.
Yeah. Move the camera over here.
I'm not sure. I think it may go to around 400 degrees, maybe not quite that high.
I think it goes to about 360, but you can use it like this, put a pizza in, shut your lid, or you can use it like this. It's got stoppers on it. You can put it down, and you got two 12-inch surfaces. So you can put bacon and eggs over here and pancakes over here. That kind of thing.
I'm going to, is it heated up yet, or is it?
No, what we're going to do is, you can leave the camera on until it heats up. We're going to heat it up and show you guys how fast it heats up. So when you start it, the red light comes on, which we don't know if the camera, but, and when it gets green, you're ready to cook. You're ready to put your stuff in the device, but it takes about 3 minutes to get green, so we can sit here and
I'm gonna pause it.
Okay, we'll come back when it's green. It takes about 3 minutes to heat up.
Yeah, we're gonna try to
the pizza.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, we're using the classic crust DiGiorno, and I used to not like DiGiornos because I didn't know they had a classic crust, and I used the regular rising crust DiGiornos, and the problem is you can't get them cooked in the center. But this thing here, it cooks your classic crust DiGiornos. It cooks everything thoroughly, including in the center. It's perfect. So these things here,
this heats up,
they outcook the oven in a pizza pan method.
We'll come back, and we're just going to show some cooking in progress and stuff, so until the pizza's basically done. But stay tuned. And we're back because the light turned green.
It was about 3.5 minutes.
Yep.
Let me get, okay. So now it's time to put the pizza in. Now you don't have to use a spatula to put it in, but I like to because I can maneuver it around, get it like I think it should be. Now these take different pizzas take different times. These classic crust DiGiornos, they take in between 10 and 15 minutes, probably 11, 12 minutes. It's 11:25 a.m., so it'll be done at 11:40, something like that. But it cooks. It's cooking both sides. It'll cook quite with it. We've made a ton of these. It works good. I mean, it's perfect every time. And for those of you who are interested, these things, we bought this at Walmart. We just happened to be walking around. We went to the kitchen appliances for something or another, and we saw this on a shelf. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, I want that. And I was like, I thought it'd be $60, $70. I mean, I had no idea. And the price was $29. And I was like, I'm definitely buying it. I bought it right on the spot for $29. I was like, if it don't work, I'll bring it back with the receipt. I'm willing to take a chance.
See if I can spin this around.
Let me see it.
I don't know if there's anything else on the other side of the box.
Well, part of it's written in another language.
Okay,
maybe Italian. But I saw it at Walmart, and I was like, I told Joe, you know what? I'm buying this. He didn't seem all excited about it at first, but once we decided we were buying it, he's like, oh, okay. So we bought that. We bought some pizzas, and we came home and made some pizzas. Now we've made tostadas in it. It'll do tostadas like a dream. You just get your tortilla, put your beans, your meat, your onions, your tomatoes, whatever you're going to have on it, your cheese, put it on there. Pop the thing in there, and like 5 minutes later, you're eating a nice, and I'm talking about the tostada. The tortilla will not be flimsy.
Okay, it's just getting started.
It'll take 10 to 15 minutes. We've cooked so many pizzas, I can't remember. Some pizzas take 8 minutes. Some of them take 16 or 17.
Okay, I'm gonna pause here, and we'll come back.
We'll show you some progress as we go.
Closer to done, at least. Okay. Okay, it's been a few minutes. See, okay, it's starting.
It's been 5 minutes. The pepperonis are starting to look wet and stuff. So
Yeah, it's a frozen pizza.
Normally, the way I determine they're cooked is I touch the edge. If the edge feels firm, the center is always going to be cooked. If the edge feels firm, I say they're done.
All right, so it's still
I
going.
don't like them extra crunchy. I like them just crunchy enough to be some crunch, but not like overdone. So
All right.
we'll come back in another 5 minutes. All right, it's been 10 minutes. We started at 25, and it's now 35 after. So that's how much it's done. You can see that the cheese is melted.
Okay, yeah, right.
And remember, I touched the edge of the crust. If the crust feels firm, I take them out. I don't, you can look underneath and kind of, I don't know. Yeah, you can see the crust a little bit.
Brown.
But I go by the edge. I don't like pizzas overdone. Joe likes them crispier than I do. I like them to be just basically a mild crispness. He likes them crunchy. So I undercook them a bit. But it's been 10 minutes, 25
Probably
to 35.
less than 5 left in it, I think.
Oh, there's not no 5 minutes left. It's
Okay,
about
we'll
2 or
be
3.
back. We'll try to. We have to unpause the camera every few minutes, or it's going to shut off.
Well, we don't know, and we're afraid it'll shut off.
Well, the phone will shut off if you don't do anything.
Yeah,
else, so.
it'll.
We'll give you another update pretty soon, and it might be finished pretty soon, but we'll see.
It's very close.
All right, here we're still going.
Now,
That's the way this is the way my brother likes his pizza.
the crust is extremely firm,
Yeah, so
and the bottom will be a little more cooked than the top. So watch how easy it. That's done. But it cooked in 13 minutes, and we've cooked the.
Can you see what the bottom looks like a little bit? Yeah, he likes them very lightly.
But yeah, I don't like them overdone. But we've cooked the stuffed cheese crust, the deep dish. There's a Walmart deli pizza you can get that's real big that'll fit this whole pan, and then there's a smaller one. The smaller ones, and they'll fit in this, and you can cook them, and they're not frozen, they're refrigerated, so they cook in 10 minutes. But they're a big thick crust pizza.
And you can always thaw your pizza out if you want to make it cook faster.
Yeah, well you could, yeah. We cooked the DiGiorno's are our favorite pizzas, but we've cooked the Tony's and the Red Barons, everything. We've cooked everybody's pizzas, including the deli pizzas from Walmart, the smaller delis. It cooks everything.
It's
perfectly.
good for cooking pizzas.
It cooks fabulous. So
I'll try to find a link for this. It's a Walmart is where we got this one.
we got it right on the shelves in the kitchen area at Walmart.
Yeah, I'll try to put that in the video description just to make it easier for you guys to find them if you want to order one online. Otherwise, you could look in the store and see if you can find them.
It's a very nice machine. Yeah, I think they heat up. It's either 340 or 360. I saw it when we first got it. I don't remember.
Something like that. But it's hot enough to cook a pizza.
They cook up the same amount on both sides. And like I said, you could cook bacon and eggs and pancakes.
All right. Well, we're gonna let you go at this point, and you guys can go check that out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.